Hey, how's it going everybody? So in today's video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing of this Rode microphone VideoMicro. So let me go ahead and just say this first. I bought this so I can actually use it with my cell phone. One of the things I did not know that I needed for this to work with the cell phone was basically something like this. Now this is a TRS to TRRS patch cable. So basically here you can see it here. So I had no idea you needed this. So just FYI, if you want to use this mic with your cell phone, you're going to have to need this cable. Nonetheless, let's go right ahead and get started. So we have basically the Rode microphone here. So as you can see, basically this is the front of the box, side of the box. So we do have a 2-year warranty, no battery required, compact size, and suspension mount included. Right there. So we have the back here, and this is the side. So nonetheless, yeah, let's go ahead and get this puppy open. All right. So let's see. Slides off. So here we go. Okay, so let's go ahead and get this opened. There we go. So let's see. So the first thing, so we got this little furry thing right here. Oh, and looks like the mic is here as well. So nonetheless, I'm just gonna focus on this. So we, from what I've been seeing, this is called a dead cat. So you could go right ahead and insert the mic in here, and basically this will prevent any wind to actually be captured if you're recording. So nonetheless, you have that here. Of course, you have the mic. It's, I mean, I thought it was going to be tinier, but this is, I mean, I want to say maybe a little bit over, 2 inches, maybe 3 in total. So let's see. So the construction is not plastic. It's some sort of an aluminum. So not bad. And then of course here you have the little TRS input that you can go ahead and put in here. So we have the shock mount here, and it looks like we can go ahead and slide this into basically, I guess, like a phone holder, or basically something to, like, basically just to insert inside of a camera or on the top of the camera. So let's see, I'll go ahead and just do the rest. So here we have the cable that I was talking about. So this cable will work if you're using a DSLR camera and you're using basically this microphone, or I should say this microphone. Okay, so now that we have the microphone unboxed, let's go ahead and get this open. Let's see. There we go. So it's the cable that I was talking about. So as you can see, basically 3 rings, and we have 2 rings over here. All right, now that we have everything squared away, I'm gonna go ahead and basically test it out and see exactly what the difference is between just the built-in mic and actually this Rode VideoMicro. Okay, so this is the audio without the Rode microphone VideoMicro. So this is just the built-in speaker on the phone, and yeah, let's go right ahead and switch it up and let's see exactly what the difference is. And this is with the Rode microphone VideoMicro. So right now we are running off of the microphone. So let me, I mean, I don't know exactly how it sounds, but I guess I'll figure it out in a little bit when I'm editing the video. So there we go. So that is basically the difference between the built-in mic on the cell phone and the Rode microphone. And that is the end of this unboxing. I really do hope you enjoyed this video of the Rode microphone VideoMicro. Once again, thank you for watching this video, and like always, we'll catch you on the next one.